Mr. Rico Romero, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Look at me. I would hope that it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you drive. You were lucky that you didn't hit and kill anyone at 120 miles an hour. This is now an affidavit, a promise that you're going to make to me that you're not to drive for any reason. I don't care what your reason is. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt of court hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail every time you get in a car and drive. I don't care if Queen Victoria needs to ride to church. You get in a car and drive, you will be doing a lot of jail time. And if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail, immigration will find you and they will put a detainer on you. And you will be stuck like Chuck in jail for the next year, waiting on what immigration does to you. You understand? You are extremely lucky as it is to be out of jail now, because not many people are able to post an immigration bond.
What was that last part, Your Honor? Not many people?
Not many people are able to post an immigration bond. I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you. If you drink alcohol, if you use drugs, even worse, get in a car and drive, I will put you in jail for a long time. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
As it stands, the fact that you have alcohol in the car is called an open container violation. That in and of itself is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I guarantee if you do 5 days, immigration will put a detainer on you. I would be careful, very, very careful from now on, because you're walking on thin ice. If that ice cracks, your butt's going to freeze.
Hielo muy delgado, si ese hielo se fractura, su culo se va a congelar.
You have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. But it's your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Paz. If he comes back to me and tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will revoke your bond. If I have to put you in jail because you're acting like a fool or not following conditions, you will not get another PR bond. You will be stuck in jail for a long time. Do you understand what's expected of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck. When was the last time you smoked dope? No, I want a date because I'm going to test you. And I want to know if you, because I asked you yesterday to be honest with me. And if you test positive, I'm going to put you in jail. You told me that you had done it a couple weeks ago. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because of your arrest was a couple weeks ago. But I want to know because I ordered you to stop smoking dope. And if you did while you're on bond, you're going to stay with me. So I want a date. You get with Kavita. I want to know because within the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm going to test you. If you test positive, you'll end up staying with me. So talk to Kavita and let me know.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
My case was actually over a month ago, and
We'll talk about it.
And that's a bad thing for you. Mr. Espinosa, I would get back into school so you could learn something. Because right now, you ain't got no knowledge. All right, Mr. Paz, Come on. Rita,
Judge, it's
Tell me.
249-9562.
talking about homeboy?
Yes, we're still waiting on a grip, it looks like, from the state, and he's gonna need probably at least 30 days to pass the drug test, considering it's been a week or so.
When was the last time you smoked weed?
Last week.
Last. Come up. Come up. Did you get a day?
Exact date, but about a week ago, Judge.
I'm gonna end up picking a date if you can't give me one then. If you can't give her a good date, I'm gonna pick one for you. The last time you smoked weed. And let me make something abundantly clear to you. If you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon. Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
I'll tell you what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza. Get a job. So, what date are we coming back for him to take a drug test? A week ago, I guess he said, right? So, today's the 23rd, so let's just assume, I guess that's the 16th.
Probably May 16th would be fine, Judge, that's a Thursday.
Kavita, what did you say?
May 16th? Unless you want to do like a 2.
1, 2.
And I'm hoping that we can get this case
I
resolved.
will give you that day. Any day that you ask. You're going to come here on May 16th to take a drug test. Your butt better be clear, because if it's not, it ain't gonna go well for you. It's just been I'm also gonna have you come back in 2 weeks to prove to me what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing from now to the next 2 weeks, say bye-bye. Take a seat.
Can I ask you a question?
You'll talk to me out there.
To prove that I'm actively looking for a job, can I show me applying and?
You can give that to me.
Okay.
Talk to Vita. She can help you. But I'm telling you, go to Amazon. They hire just about anyone. If you put your heart into it, you can do damn near anything, Mr. Espinoza. That's all it takes is a little willpower and a little go-getter attitude. That's all it takes. I'm not asking you to split the atom. Okay. You still wanted to work this thing into a dismissal, right, Mr. Lewings?
Yes.
All right, come on up. I mean, you're literally in the home stretch. Because I'm telling you, you're going to pay it one way or the other. If you plead guilty, you're going to pay for it threefold as if you were to get this thing dismissed. I promise you. And you're in the home stretch. All you need to do now is get the interlock. But you're not,
Actually, Judge, I apologize. I don't mean to interrupt. It's a portable device because he
Correct.
doesn't have a car, he doesn't drive, so it's a portable device.
that, you pay the $300 DA fee, and then you're into the program. That's the only thing you got to do now.
There's another $100 fee on there. I saw it was like there's a $12.50, there's a $60 to initiate, and then another $100. So I think it's like $472.50.
I don't know. No. But there's also a district attorney's fee that you have to pay.
So an additional $300.
And it may be included in what you're talking about, but I'm not sure. So let's do this. I'm going to give you 3 weeks to get this thing done. Okay? That should give you plenty of time. If you can get all that stuff done before the next setting, I will waive your appearance so you don't have to come here.
I'll come back. I don't mind coming back. I don't do any drugs. I'm trying to go see my mother, and I've been
You have to do this regardless, though.
I understand.
Part of the agreement. So I'm helping you, right?
I'm talking about the calling every morning.
Okay, we'll work something out with you. Okay. For now, I'm going to set you off 3 weeks. You got to get the portable device and you got to pay the $300 DA fee between now and that time and get the proof to your lawyer. He'll get that stuff to the DA's fee, to the DA's, then they'll file the supervision order and then you're in the program.
Yes, sir.
Really, you're in the home stretch. You've made it this far. All you need is just literally just a little bit more. And look, the benefit is that you'll get this thing dismissed.
It's a hard reality considering I was helping people who were in a car accident. I wasn't even.
That's beyond the point. No good deed goes unpunished, as they say, right?
That's crazy.
All right. So I'm going to give you 3 weeks. Get it done. Call Brian, or so you guys remain in contact so you can get on the same page. All right?
Yeah, I didn't know that he contacted me.
He thought you had court on Thursday, not today. That's why he's not here.
That's fine. What about the calling, sir? You can test me now. I don't do any drugs. I'm on medication. I can't do any drugs.
I don't know that. I don't know you.
I'm saying you can drug test me now. Go ahead. I'll take a mouth swab, whatever. Like, I don't do
We'll work
drugs.
something out for now, but for now, I need to get you out so we can help everybody else. All right. Brian, give me a date that you want 3 weeks.
Let me check my calendar there, hold up.
I have Kayla Venable on your docket.
Okay.
Venable, you did ask for her to be here today. We did get her approved for the PTI. Her TRAS is scheduled for Thursday. She's not here today.
Well, she's not here.
No, but her TRAS is scheduled for this Thursday, so it's not pushed out weeks or anything. She is going on. I know.
Why is it taking so long to get stuff done with her?
Yeah. Part of it was getting the letters in. We did get that done, but this was the earliest TRAS she could get. So
She's been here, I would have sent her to go get a TRAS
I
today.
know, and I know that's what you wanted to do. So I do apologize that she's not here today. She is expressing confusion that she thought, oh, I just thought I needed to go down there Thursday for this. And so if I was not clear with her, I will take responsibility for that.
I don't want you to fall on the sword. It's
I
her.
felt like I was clear,
So,
but,
it's not you.
but I will
To
say
death, but
that
it's not, it's her.
she has been working hard to get this stuff together. I just think she's had a lot with her job and
You tell me that she hasn't given you everything?
I have everything. No, I have everything. She's been approved. I was saying in the.
Okay, I was about to lose it if you told
She's
me
not,
that she.
someone who's not staying in touch with me. She was doing everything she needs to. It was just taking some time.
You got everything for the mitigation pack.
It's been approved. She
It's
has
been
the
approved.
TRAS scheduled. She was approved for that and clean and green. So she's,
Do you have an appointment for cleaning green yet or no?
no, she has to pay the $100.
She has to
So
pay the fee. Well,
Yeah.
this is what I found was like.
she has to pay $100 to it. So
She can't get into the program until she has an actual date.
We used to be able to do the fee on the back end, but then obviously issues with people not paying.
Right. So when is that gonna happen?
she'll do it this week.
Okay, so I guess you said she goes on Thursday?
Thursday morning, yes. She has
So-
Thursday morning.
I guess let's set it for Monday. By Monday, she must have the $100 paid for the clean and green. If she doesn't have that paid, if she doesn't go to her appointment, all bets off, she gets an immediate trial setting and no more PTI
Venable, VEN.
with a V, like Victor. So tell her she will never get another pass from me today, forever. If she is supposed to be here and she fails to appear again, it's immediate bond revocation. I don't care what her excuse is.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we do it for Tuesday though? Because I'll be here on Tuesday. Thank you. I appreciate you.